Are you spending hours every week cleaning Excel data, copying reports, and preparing reconciliation? What if I told you there are two powerful tools that can automate most of this work? Today we will talk about Power Query and Power BI. Many professionals in accounts, finance, GST, audit, HR, and operations spend several hours doing the same task repeatedly every month. Power Query is an Excel tool that helps you import, clean, transform, and automate data. Instead of repeating the same steps every month, you do it once and simply refresh the report. Imagine you receive GST reports every month. Normally, you copy data, remove unnecessary column, apply formulas, and prepare reconciliations. With Power Query, you can automate these steps, updates reports in seconds. Power BI is a business intelligence tool used to create dashboards and visual reports. It converts large amount of data into easy to understand charts and insight. You can create the visualization through charts, donut charts, and trends and data summary in the visualization. Management does not want thousands of rows of data. They want insight. Power BI helps you present information in a professional dashboard. Professionals who know Power Query and Power BI are highly valued because they save time, improve reporting, and support decision making. Management want GST revenue data, expense data, profitability, and KPIs. If you are starting today, learn Power Query first because it helps automate Excel work immediately. Then move to Power BI for dashboard and analytics. This will learning path from Excel basic, learning to the Power Query, learning to the Power BI and data analyst. Are Power Query and Power BI useful? Absolutely. These tools can save hours of work, improve accuracy, and help you grow professionally. This is useful for work learning, career growth, powerful time saving, and future skill also. So, guys, let's take an example of this scenario. So, we have a marketing data. This is the marketing data. Here is the item name and month name. Month name is the column side and item name is the row side. Now we want to change this scenario. Item name should in the column and month name is the row side. So let's go to the Power Query tab. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि पावर क्वेरी मैंने ऑलरेडी बनाई हुई है, तो इसमें आप चेक कर सकते हैं मैंने एडिट क्या क्या किया हुआ है. दिस इज अवर सोर्स डेटा, आइटम नेम एंड मंथ नेम. तो मैंने चेंज क्या किया कि चेंज में हमने इसमें सारे के सारे मंथ को हमने सिलेक्ट करने के बाद अनपाइवट कर दिया. अनपाइवट करने से क्या होगा कि जो मेरे मंथ हैं वो मेरे रोज में आ जाएंगे और जो मेरे आइटम है वो मेरे सेम रहेंगे. उसके बाद रीनेम कर दिया मंथ को मंथ में और अमाउंट्स को अमाउंट्स में. ठीक है. देन फिर पाइवट कर दिया, पाइवट कॉलम पर मैंने क्लिक किया और पाइवट कॉलम मैंने इंसर्ट कर दिया. तो जो मेरे मंथ्स थे वो मेरे कॉलम में दिखाई दे रहे थे सोर्स डेटा में, और अब मेरे जो नेक्स्ट मैंने पाइवट कॉलम को इंसर्ट कर दिया तो अब ये मेरे मंथ्स मेरे रो डेटा में आ गए, और जो मेरा आइटम में मेरे हमारे जो एक्सपेंस के नेम आ रहे थे वो हमारे कॉलम साइड में आ गए. अब मैं इस फाइल को क्लोज करता हूँ. क्लोज दिस फाइल एंड लोड टू द बटन. सो फाइल व्यू इज द सेम. ठीक है. अगर मुझे कोई एक फाइल इंसर्ट करनी है, कोई रो डेटा इंसर्ट करना है, जस्ट लाइक if copy for the sample basis, just 4 minutes, and I just put up the name unsold material, and if I copy this number in this scenario, so unsold material in the raw data Then I go to the Power Query file and only just go click on the data tab and refresh button. Click on the refresh button. My last line is the already inserted unsolved material in the already captured. A very useful tool for Power Query inbuilt in the Excel. You can try this tool in the daily routine work like a GST report, HR report, sales and operation and marketing, etc. etc. So this is a very useful tool. If you useful this video, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the